It's well understood that China's export bans on rare earth magnets and the trade wars and tariffs on everything from our side have screwed up supply chains around the world. But those issues are new since early 2024 or so and intensifying this year. So there is a key piece to the problem then that is not explained by China or the new Trump administration. These are workers on strike at Lockheed Martin. Lockheed is the prime contractor for both the F-35 and the Patriot missile systems. Line workers at Lockheed here insist that their pay is not keeping up with the cost of living. Instead, the money that the company earns is going to investors instead of to new hires. In 2024, Lockheed paid $6.8 billion to buy back their own shares and to pay dividends. And that $6.8 billion is more than the company earned in profits for the year. Company executives do all that because it results in higher stock prices. Here are the stock charts for Raytheon and Lockheed Martin. The quarterly earnings releases for all these companies look like this one here from Raytheon last May. Raytheon is increasing the dividend, on track to return tens of billions of dollars to investors via dividends and share buybacks. And here is Raytheon's 8K from last October for the third quarter. These are quarterly numbers. Free cash flow of $2 billion, an outstanding order book of $221 billion, and $1.1 billion returned to investors. So over half their free cash flow went back to shareholders' pockets to juice quarterly returns and not into doing much to dent their $221 billion order backlog. This is already a familiar theme to us, and we've reported how in the American fire truck industry, profits are being poured out to investors while production lines get shut down. That has created a crisis for municipal governments and for firefighters who are paying over $2 million for fire trucks that used to cost a fourth of that, and who are waiting 5 years for trucks that they need today to put the fires out. Detached observers might look at how Wall Street has so financialized American life, with the incentives so perverse, and conclude simply that the financial industry is stealing from American fire departments and from firefighters. Wall Street investors are stealing from small local governments, and they're also stealing from the Pentagon and from governments across the world.